In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Gmail with Outlook. If you're someone who juggles multiple email platforms, getting Gmail and Outlook to work together seamlessly can simplify your digital life tremendously. Let's dive into the process, and soon enough, you'll have these two robust platforms working in harmony. First, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail account on your web browser. Ensure that you're signed into the correct account, as Gmail can sometimes bounce between accounts if multiple logins are detected. Once you're in, head over to the gear icon in the top right corner, which is the Settings menu. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu, and you'll want to select See All Settings. From there, you'll be navigating to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. This is where the magic starts to happen. IMAP, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, allows your email client, such as Outlook, to access your Gmail messages. In the IMAP Access section, you'll need to ensure that IMAP is enabled. If it's not, go ahead and select the option to enable it, and then don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom. Now, let's turn our attention to Outlook. Open Outlook on your desktop and head to the File menu. From the drop-down, select Add Account. A new window should pop up, and this is where you'll need to enter your Gmail email address in the provided field. Once you've done that, click Connect. In this step, Outlook will attempt to connect to your Gmail account. It might prompt you for your Gmail password, and if you have two-step verification enabled, be prepared to go through those additional steps. This is crucial for securing your account, as it adds an extra layer of protection. This means you might receive a text or a notification in your Gmail app for verification. Follow those prompts as instructed. After verification, Outlook will configure your Gmail account automatically. The process usually takes a few moments, and you'll know it's complete when you see a confirmation screen indicating that your email account has been successfully added. This is where patience comes in handy. Don't close the window while Outlook does its thing. Once you've successfully added the account, click Done. Outlook will prompt you to restart the program for changes to take effect. Go ahead and close Outlook and reopen it. You should see your Gmail account listed in the left-hand sidebar. There it is, synced and ready for action. That wraps up our step-by-step guide. By following these instructions, you've successfully brought two powerful tools together. For busy professionals and anyone juggling personal and work emails, syncing Gmail with Outlook can drastically streamline your communications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides.